Alrighty, everyone. Hi. Last one of the week. I'm going to see if I can do something similar to this. This was a page in my sketchbook from January of 2016. Um, I really liked how this turned out. It's just sort of lines and swirls and something. I really like it. So I happen to have one of these uh, greeting card blanks, and I dropped some alcohol ink on there and put a little bit of gel pen just to give it a little something, a little sparkle and shine. Um, just to start out, because I was really inspired by what I had done here. I think that is colored pencil, I think, or maybe watercolor. I don't remember what I did to color that. I'm sure I did it after the fact, but I decided to just do it before the fact because I want to make this little like greeting card for somebody. Comes with an envelope, you know the kind of thing. You've been there before, right? I've opened up my windows. I've opened up my door. So if you hear any noises, there's a breeze happening. But it's a beautiful day, and I just want to have some fresh air. So we're just going to do this. So basically, all I did, I believe, when I did this is I just started drawing from one dot to the other. Um, and I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to go around, and I'm going to go around here, and I'm going to go to there. And I'm just going to do like this, and like this, and like this. Close you in a little bit. And let's do like that. And then we're going to do on this side something like this. We're just going to do a few of these until I feel like this one is sufficiently done. And we'll just move on. I think this one needs to be swirly, so I'm going to start with a round. And I'm going to come around like this. That to maybe go under here. And maybe come around this one. That. Something like that. And then perhaps this one will go up and over there and under here like so. You notice this week I just really felt like just doing kind of like lines and nothing too hard. Of course, Chintz was a little bit more interesting, more dramatic, but I'm just feeling like, I don't know. Just feel like doing lines. Just like that. That one's kind of off on its own. And let's do something. Maybe we'll add some lines here now. So then this one will go through this one maybe. That looks like a good idea. Let's add. Looks like it fits that one. Let's do this one. That. Maybe one more line through here. Like that. And then perhaps this needs now a little tail coming out here. Why? I don't know. Just where I wanted to put it. It needs something up here. Coming through here and up here. And under here. And out here. Something like that. One more. One more. Like that. What do we think? Does that look good? This feels like it's out of place. It needs to be connected to something, I think. Something like that. What do we think? Is that good enough? I like it. I like the simplicity of it. Look how easy it is to create a greeting card for somebody. What, 10 minutes? Quick and easy. Put a little bit of shading on there and I'll be done. sign it. Little bit of shading. Just where they go under and over. Make sure we get all of them. That's important. Especially like over here where they all overlap. That's a lot. A lot of overlapping. Should be shaded good. Maybe up in here where it kind of swirls around together. Absolutely. And a little bit at the tips. I think where they come together would naturally be a little darker. This is so much fun. You guys ever just put lines on things? I just love to just put lines on things. Just wherever they end up going. Just random. I love it. Just love it. Doesn't have to take a lot of thought or talent. It's just lines going whichever direction you felt like putting them. A little carried away with my pencil there. Okay, does it need a little... Okay, now we're just going to smudge. I'm going to go ahead and just use my big blending stump because that's what I have on hand. It's been a while since I've drawn on just a plain white piece of paper, hasn't it? I should do that more. Maybe I'll find my greeting cards. Do some more greeting cards. No matter what pattern I decide to put on them. Just do some greeting cards so I have them on hand so when an event comes up, I'll just already have a card ready to go. You could also create a design and throw it in your computer and then print these off. But I think it's just as easy to create a hand-drawn piece. Because to be honest, by the time I figured out how to put in my computer and how to format this so that it prints properly on the greeting card, I probably could have had a whole card drawn. So it's probably easier to just hand draw a few cards. go. That's all there was to it. Look at that, 15 minutes done. Easy. And each one can look different and unique based on what colors you put in there, based on where you put the little drops, how you decide to weave your lines. Ah, so much fun. I just had a great time, and it was easy and a quick one for today. I need to think about what I'm going to do next week. I have no bloody idea. If you guys have any thoughts, let me know. Of course, by the time you see this, I will have already created next week's videos. But, something in the future, if you have something you really want me to do or you want to see me do, absolutely drop a note in the comments. Why I can't think of that word, I don't know. Drop a note in the comments and let me know if there's something you want me to see, if there's a pattern you want me to do, and I'd be happy to give that a go. Doing 3, 4, 5 drawings a week. I can sometimes not think very much about what's going on and have a hard time figuring out what I want to do next. So, yeah. I hope you guys are having a great day. Have a good weekend. I will see you next week. And blessings to everybody. And I'll see you later. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Bye-bye.